Have y'all met Lola yet? She is the cutest, and she has her own Instagram. Anyway, we are here for my living room tour. So if y'all don't know me, my name is Dani Austin, and I make YouTube videos. I have a blog, and I'm so pumped that you're here. I don't know if y'all know this, but putting together home decor is not like putting together an outfit. It's a lot more difficult, but I feel like I've learned a lot. So I wanna share with you guys some of my tips. I'll put all the links for everything I show you guys down below in the description box. Make sure you also check out my closet tour, and I'll be filming spaces of each room in the house. So let me know what you wanna see. Are y'all ready? Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, just so you know, I got my teeth whitened today, so if I like do this and make a weird face in the middle of the video, it's because I got a zinger. Anyway, people that get your teeth whitened, you get it. Okay, so this is the space. The number one thing you want with your furniture is you want it to be functional. Like you want to be able to walk side to side. You want to have like conversation points. Also wanted like a light and bright space, but no white furniture. We got 2 dogs up in here and it can get pretty dirty. Hazel, you know you're guilty. Definitely guilty. Sofa, I got this from Crate and Barrel, and it's a really like durable fabric, which is why I really love it. If you guys look at Lola's tail, why are you so cute? My coffee table, I would say, is my favorite part of the room. Isn't it so cute? The rug is from Pottery Barn. Your sofa is supposed to go like halfway off of the rug and then like halfway on the rug. And same for the leather chair over here. Apparently that's just supposed to help frame the space. The leather chair is from West Elm. This pillow, I think I got this from Wayfair. It is so soft. This is like one of Hazel's favorite chew toys, so she gets in trouble. Little poof, that's also from Wayfair. It kind of adds a little bit more of like a bohemian feel to the space. And this acrylic table was $49 from, I think, TJ Maxx. You can put your laptop, and this is what I look like every day working. Just kidding, I'm usually in my PJs. This marble little side table I actually also got from Home Goods or TJ Maxx. One of those. Now we can move on to the bookcases. I always wanted gold bookcases. That was like something I always thought was really glam and beautiful in a space. Decorating these things, it is so hard. I had to go to Half Price Books and I bought all these books for like $6 or $7. They're all used. These 2 are my favorite shelves. This is like my A team shelf, and this is my B team shelf. Has anybody seen these balls all over Instagram? Literally, these strands of beads. I said balls, you should say beads. These strands of beads are like all over Instagram, and so I looked them up and they were like $150 for this, and I was like, girlfriend's gotta find a deal. So we found these on Etsy for I think $18. I also feel like I could make one of these if I really wanted to. All the frames are from Target. All of this decor is from the Opal House collection at Target, which if y'all have not seen that, oh, it is beautiful. I have a little vase that is from Wisteria. Oh, the Voluspa candles, like they're just so chic. I feel like I don't even really use this candle, and anytime Jordan comes over, I'm like, nope, you're not allowed to light that candle. This little vase I got, I wanted to bring in like a glass. That's from Anthropology. Then I have a pot full of, why did I say pot? I have a bowl full of potpourri. I mean, this is when you really know you're growing up. When you have potpourri and a bowl in your house. But it does smell pretty good. Well, we move this way to my pot plant. Aggie looked at me. He just rolled his eyes at me. I love blue and white, like those colors together. And even though the room doesn't have a lot of blue and white, I don't know, for some reason this just goes. And then the plant is actually from Home Depot, and I feel like I'm already killing it, which makes me feel very insecure about myself. This side table is also from Wisteria. I liked it because it brought in this leather accent, kind of like that matches the West Elm chair. I was like, the number one thing I want is a mirror, because not only because for like outfit pictures, but it actually makes the spaces look a lot bigger. So if you have a really small room, adding some height with a mirror is like pro tip. So we have the fireplace here. I have a fake plant that I also got from Target. It's the Opal House collection, but It's really important to add greenery to any space. Mainly for me because I work from home, and otherwise I go a little cuckoo if I just feel like I'm like stuck in this really like blocked in space. I have these 2 little candlesticks that are also from the Target Opal House collection. Guys, I'm a sucker for pink. Anything pink. I mean, look at me. Look at me. I'm in pink right now. I can't help it, I just love it. Lola also is like an accent in this room. Like she kind of just goes with everything, you know? Like she's white, tan, and then a pop of blush pink. You're perfect! You guys, I think that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I will make sure to put everything I talked about down below so y'all can check it out. Even the things I didn't mention, I'll make sure to put the links for everything. I know that always really helps. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more, and I guess I'll talk to you later. Peace. Peace. I always say that whenever I exit. I'm like, hey, bye Cassidy, peace.